Module 3, Accident Causation or Rescue Workplace and Rescue Workers Accident Investigation. Module Objectives. Upon completion of the module, participants will be able to discuss the importance of accident investigation, enumerate the types of accidents to be reported, explain the basic procedure in the conduct of accident investigation, know how to document an accident investigation, accomplish the work accident or illness report, or WARE, and annual accident or illness exposure data reports or AEDR based on cases given, and compute sample severity rate or SR and frequency rate or FR. So, accident investigation. Accident investigation is a necessary and effective technique for preventing recurring or future accident. Iwasang maulit muli ang mga naganap na aksidente or future accidents. Iwasan ang mga hindi dapat gawin para iwas aksidente. Through accident investigation can point out the problem areas within the organization. Investigations are conducted to prevent recurrence, comply with the policies and regulatory requirements, improve supervisors' management approach, and maintain employee awareness (HSE). So, accident investigation must be fact-finding, not fault-finding. Fact-finding, paghahanap ng katotohanan, and fault-finding, ang hindi paghahanap ng ang paghahanap ng mali. Kaya, we should investigate what really happened to that incident and or accident. So, all accidents are incidents and should be investigated. The supervisor is the person who most often investigates accident and makes out reports. Supervisors are more familiar with the people involved. They have better understanding of the operations and equipment and have personal interest in investigations. LTI, non-LTI, property damage, near misses that did not happen and could happen need to investigate. So, LTI is lost time injury. Tumutukoy ito sa anumang pinsala o karamdaman na nag-uugnay sa trabaho na nagre-resulta sa isang empleyado na hindi magagampanan ang kanilang regular na tungkulin at kinakailangan nila magpahinga sa kanilang trabaho. Example, pag sila ay na-aksidente, kailangan nilang magpahinga muna para magpagaling sa kanilang karamdaman. Accident investigations are done to prevent recurrence, comply with policies and regulatory requirements, improve supervisors' management approach, maintain employee awareness. So, prevent recurrence, iwasang maulit muli ang mga aksidente, comply with policies and regulatory requirements, sumunod sa patakaran, improve supervisors' management approach, pagbutihin ang diskarte o desisyon sa pagmamahala ng supervisor. Maintain employee awareness, panatilihin ang kamalayan ng empleyado o karamdaman ng iyong empleyado.
My topic is Safety Observation Plan. There are several factors necessary for effective safety observation. These are now what to look for. Practice observing. Keep an open mind. Do not be satisfied with general impression. Guard against habit and familiarity. Record observation. Good safety observation include instances when workers adhere to established safety protocols, such as wearing appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE), using fall protection measures during elevated work, or following proper lifting technique with handling heavy. Next, communicating the result. Important to discuss the result of the inspection with the employees. If work practice in bad habits have developed, employees must advise of the observation immediately and explain the correct ways on how the work is to be done. Example, we need to communicate the results of the survey to the board of director.